Hello YouTube and welcome back to a brand new video. This is Protostar here and I just wanted to share this quick average of 5 I did today. It was a 10.95 I believe in, and that's really amazing for me. Any sub 11 average is amazing, and it's really close to my PB average of 5, which is 10.80. So that's pretty much the video. I just really hope you enjoy. I'm going to be uploading more this week and next week, hopefully, so keep an eye on that. And yeah, enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks.